I started my business with a 20-year-old camera with a kit lens. And in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you about my journey about going from working full-time to being self-employed as a drone entrepreneur. This started out as a hobby back in 2020. Every day I would come home and make it my homework to take 100 shots on this camera. While I was doing that, I was learning how to use a camera. I was learning how the exposure triangle works. I was learning everything there was to know about photography. I was doing this in hopes that one day I would get into doing photography full time. The funny story is I made it happen, just not in the way that I thought I would. Every day after work, I would come home and make it my homework to take 100 shots on this camera just to learn how to use it. I eventually got confident enough to take the camera outside and was taking photos of my kids' flag football game. That's where I took 5 photos that would change my life. I approached the league manager and told him that the photos that I had taken were pretty good and that I would like to work for the league doing photography. So he saw the photos, he liked them. They were a brand new league at the time. They were just getting started. So I was starting my business, they were starting their league. At the exact same time, it was kind of just a match that was made for each other. So I would go out 3 nights a week where I would shoot photos of flag football. I did make a lot of money from it, but I eventually earned enough money to buy a drone. This was my very first drone, the DJI Mini 2. This was one of the very first investments that I made in my business. Every dollar that I took from photography, I would upgrade my gear, so I bought this drone. I eventually upgraded my camera body and got a brand new long lens as well to shoot sports. I think one of the most pivotal moments in my business happened when I was on vacation. I had just bought the DJI Mini 2 and I had planned a vacation with my wife for a week in Chicago. And I decided to take the drone with me. Being able to see that city from above was a magical feeling. And I even made this video while I was on the plane ride back from Chicago. From that moment on, I was hooked. I wanted to take this little drone with me and explore the world. But in order to do that, I needed a license called a Part 107. So I did a little bit of research and found a company that offered Part 107 training. I'll leave a link to them in the description below, but I made it my homework to study the material every day after work for about 6 weeks. After 6 weeks and a few practice tests later, I felt confident enough to set the appointment to go get my Part 107. I went to the facility, I took the test, I passed, and I walked out of the building with a piece of paper that had a certification that said that I am Part 107 certified. My official license came in the mail about 6 to 8 weeks later, and I was super excited when I received it. Even though I had the license at the time to fly the drone, I recognized that I didn't really have the skills that were required to fly a drone smoothly and take really good footage. The same day that I passed my Part 107, I got home and immediately found a course that would teach me the skills that I needed to be able to fly a drone in a cinematic way. My homework had evolved to go into the park as much as I could after work to putting the drone up in the air as often as possible so I could learn more about it. Obviously, the more that I practiced, the more that I learned and the better that I got. I took the drone with me on many more vacations and eventually started getting paid work with it as well. That opened up other opportunities to do different kinds of work, and with that came more homework as well. In fact, I would say doing your homework is one of the most important things that you were taught in school that they didn't really teach you how it would translate into real life. But by doing my homework, I was able to create a completely different life for myself. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to the Part 107 Made Easy course that I mentioned earlier in the description below or on the pinned comment. If you decide to go that route, buying that course does help the channel, and I put every dollar back into making this channel better for you. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something that you can use to create the life that you want to live.